Good morning, Cloth from LT here. Today I wanna show you my pendulum clock, Holy 30 Days. Yeah. It has a melon over here that goes like this. Yeah. So let me just do it for you guys. So yeah, my grandfather got me this from an antique store. I don't know when, but he shipped it to me a long time ago. I had this in my garden, now I took it back to my apartment. So yeah, it looks great in my room. There's my little clock over here, on top of my pendulum clock, because I don't have any screws to put it, to hang it, so yeah. Yeah, over here. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.